In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to activate online purchases for your Absa Activate Card. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to shop securely and effortlessly online. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Absa Banking App. Open the Absa Banking App on your smartphone. Enter your login details, username and password or fingerprint recognition to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, go to the Card section located on the main screen. Select the Activate Card or Manage Cards option from the menu. Step 3. Select your Absa Activate Card. From the list of available cards, choose the Absa Activate Card you want to enable for online purchases. Tap on the selected card to open its settings. Step 4. Enable online transactions. Look for the Online Purchases or Internet Transactions section in the card settings. Toggle the option to Enable Online Transactions. You may be asked to verify your identity using your PIN, biometric, or OTP, one-time password, for security purposes. Step 5. Confirmation. After enabling the feature, you will receive a confirmation message stating that your card is now ready for online transactions. You may also receive an SMS or email confirming the activation. Step 6. Set transaction limits. Optional. You can also set spending limits for online transactions to ensure your spending stays within your budget. To do this, navigate to the Transaction Limits section and adjust the limits for online purchases as per your preference. Step 7. Start shopping online. Your Absa Activate Card is now activated for online purchases. You can use it securely on any website that accepts card payments. Be sure to keep your card details secure and only shop on trusted websites. Important notes: ensure your card is linked to your Absa account with sufficient funds or credit. If you face any issues during the activation process, contact Absa customer support for assistance. Now you are ready to shop online with your Absa Activate Card. Enjoy a secure, convenient, and seamless online shopping experience. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and banking tips.